Bob, what the hell are you doing?
I'm surviving a tactical nuke that's about to drop.
Didn't you get that from Modern Warfare? Anyways, why do you think there's going to be a nuke dropped? Bob, where you go? Oh, forget it. Bob, this is ridiculous. We all know you're not going to kill me. Alright, so put the gun down. Thank you. Now where the hell are you going? Dude, just put the gun down. How'd you get another gun? That's not tough. Forget it. Oh, I'll give you a Klondike bar wrapper if you leave me alone. And put down the gun and never point a gun at me again. Here, leave me alone. Here we go again. You just put the gun down. Bob, put the gun down. I know you're in a deep, depressing place right now. You ripped your Klondike bar wrapper. You don't have to kill yourself, Bob. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put it down, Bob. How are you still standing? What the